second made fried chicken. Let's get started. Okay, first we need to take some chicken in a bowl and ding, 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 ding. Okay, I crushed some garlic. Look, I crushed some garlic. Now we're going to put it here. Okay. Then add some yogurt. Salt. Okay, that's enough. Now add some powder. Now let's rest for some time. Okay guys, now put some corn flour. Wait, is it stuck? Nice one. How did powder get stuck in the bowl? Get up to there. My goodness. Okay guys, we got some flour and some plain water and take one chicken and put it in the flour. Okay, nice so covered up. Now put it in this plate. Take out the chicken. That's enough. Okay guys, let's taste our yummy little chicken. Ketchup and bite. So super.